Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach a new chapter, Lesson 7, More on MS Paint. Now I want you all to open page number 62. Now let me first open Paint for you all. Now as you all know that this is the Paint window. Okay. Now if you can see on page number 62, the first topic that is given is Magic of Control Buttons. Now in the previous chapter, if you remember, I taught you that what are the control buttons and where can you find it. Okay, control buttons is basically formed of three buttons, that is minimize button, maximize button and close buttons. Okay, now these are three control buttons: minimize, maximize and close. Now what is minimize? Minimize means that when you click on this minimize button, the Paint window will come on the taskbar. The Paint window will appear on the taskbar. Okay. Now if you click on this restore down or maximize, now first of all let me restore it down. Now this is the maximize button. Now if you click on this maximize button, what will happen? The window, the size of the window will be increased. It will cover the entire desktop area. Okay. Now this one is close. So if you click on this close button, what will happen? The Paint window will be closed like this. Okay. Now let me again open it for you. Now I hope it's clear how to use the control buttons. Now if you turn on page number 63, you can see the next topic is using tools group. Now where can you find this tool groups? This is tools group. Now in this tools group, we'll study about this pencil tool, text tool, eraser tool and brushes. Okay, now first of all, pencil tool. What is the use of pencil tool? Pencil tool is used to draw anything in free form. Okay, you can move the tool, you can move the pointer the way you wish. Now if I'll select on this pencil tool and when I'll put the mouse pointer on the drawing area, you can see the pointer has changed into pencil. Now with this pencil tool, I can draw anything in a free form size. Okay. Anything. My drawing is not so good. Okay. So don't say that, oh, ma'am has drawn such a, like this. You can draw anything in free form size. Okay, free form style. So this is the use of pencil tool. How to use pencil tool? First you have to press the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer the way you wish. Alright, so this is how you can use the pencil tool. Next is text tool. Text tool is used to give a name to your drawing. Okay, if you have drawn something very beautiful, a butterfly or a clown or a smiley, something like this. So what you can do, you can give name to it. How to give name? First, select the text tool, put the mouse pointer on the drawing area, press the left mouse button and drag it. You can see a rectangular box. Now press it, type whatever you wish and then click anywhere on the desktop. Flower. Okay, so this is how you can give name to your drawing as well. This is eraser tool. Eraser tool, what is the use of eraser tool? Eraser tool is used to erase anything if you have done any mistake. So you can use the eraser tool. Select the eraser tool, put the mouse pointer on the drawing area, press the left mouse button and then drag the mouse. Now you can see the size of this eraser is very small. If you want to increase it, how can you increase? Press the control button and plus sign, which is there on the keyboard. Okay, and if you want to decrease the size of the eraser, press the control button and then press the minus button. To increase, press the control key and the plus sign. To decrease, press the control key and minus sign. So this is how you can use the text tool, eraser tool. Next tool is brush tool. Now, this is brush tool. Now, when you click on this drop down area, you can see different styles of brushes. Now, we'll go one by one. Let me show you. This is brush tool. You can use the brush. Okay. I'm showing you the different variants of the brushes. Little thicker. More thicker than this one. Little shaded one. Okay. Then this one. I'm showing you all the different variants of this brushes. And this one is the last one. In the brushes tool, you will see one more brushes, which is airbrush. Airbrush means the spray. Okay, like this. It will come like a spray. So this is airbrush. And here from the size, you can change the size as well of the airbrush. If you want, you can do the maximum one. Okay, so these are all the different tools and the control buttons. Now students, I want you all have to open MS Paint in your laptop or desktop, whatever you have, and you will draw a beautiful smiley for me. Okay, color it and then click a photograph of it, and then you all have to send it to me. I will open the group and you all have to send me that pic. Is that clear, students? Take care. Have a nice day.